Today I'm going to be reviewing AICHESON's laptop cooling pad with 6 high-speed fans. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is going to fit 13 to 17.3 inch laptops. This is what it looks like from the front. There's a little lip here that comes down to hold your laptop. On the back, it's got these legs to be able to adjust the height that you want. Once you got your legs adjusted where you want them, you're going to plug it into your laptop, and this is going to cool it. Let's go ahead and check it out and see how well it works. To plug this in, go from your USB-A on your laptop to USB-A on here. You do get an extra port on the bottom here, and you can adjust the speed right here with this dial. You got a cool blue look. It definitely is going to cool your laptop. This is super light. My gaming laptop's fairly heavy, but it fits on here fine. And like I said, it's got that little lip to hold it, so it's not going to slip forward or anything like that. This is an Amazon choice, which I like to see. It does get 4.1 stars. I usually like 4.4. I looked at the reviews. People really like it, and it does cool your laptop. No issues with that. Some people say it stops working after a month, so I don't know about that. 100 plus of these were bought last month. They're not very expensive, and I'm not sure the longevity of it myself, but I think if you take care of it and you're not throwing it around, I think it's going to last, and it's definitely going to cool your laptop. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.